Alright, y'all. Philly D back with a little quick car review. Got a 2013 Q50 Infinity John, all-wheel drive. These Johns is nice, man. I always like these Johns. Every time I get a chance to, look at one, I show y'all real quick. Inside is nice. It's a 13, but these Johns got more of a modern look to them. Like they don't really age. Check out this engine real quick. I think it's a 3.7. V6. Clean John. I think he's twin turbo, I believe. I'm not sure. Y'all can correct me on that. But yeah, it's John clean though, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back with that Infinity 2013 Infinity Q50. Yeah, I ended up doing front and back pads and rotors, and then I also balanced all 4 tires because the customer was feeling some type of shaking and shit. So yeah, ended up all his damn balancing weights were knocked off his wheels and shit somehow. So whoever did the tires fucked up some shit, or they fell off. But yeah, y'all, this joint is fast, man. If y'all into buying, if y'all looking for one of these or something like that, it's quick, but it is heavy. This thing is heavy. So you will feel that when you're driving this thing, you will feel it. But this thing is real nice though, real nice. If y'all, trying to buy one of these, can't go wrong with this John though.